April 23rd, England celebrates William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare is England's most famous writer. He was born on the 23rd of April 1564 in Stratford-upon-Avon. He died 52 years later on, guess which day? That's right, the 23rd of April. He is famous all over the world for writing plays like Romeo and Juliet.
Two blushing pilgrims ready stand to smooth that rough touch.
The Tempest. And the Scottish play, Macbeth. He used a quill, an old feather pen, to write with. Each year in Stratford-upon-Avon, there is a 2-day event to celebrate his birthday. Thousands of people come to join in the fun. There is Morris dancing, concerts, and plays. There are parades through the town, and 2 people dressed up as William Shakespeare and his wife, Anne Hathaway, wave at the crowd. The highlight of the celebrations for many is when they visit Shakespeare's grave and lay flowers on it. Do you know of any other famous writers who have a special day like Shakespeare?